Okay, now we'll talk about the algorithmic tools, which is the last part of this particular chapter. So already we have discussed about what is an algorithm, area of study and why algorithm, how to judge an algorithm, asymptotic efficiency and asymptotic notations, and finally we'll talk about the algorithmic tools. Now various algorithm tools are there. The basic algorithm tools are divide and conquer algorithm, greedy method, dynamic programming, graph algorithm, randomized algorithm, backtracking, and branch and bound algorithm. Okay, now basically question is what are the uses of this particular algorithm tools. Now uh, what we will do actually. So first of all we will see different example to solve the problem using this particular algorithms. Okay, next we will see the basic. Now the first of all we have to see the basic of this all this. Okay, next various examples to solve using this particular algorithm. Third, comparison of the algorithm. Okay, now different techniques are there. Say technique 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Suppose one problem is there. Now we can, to solve the problem, we may use technique 1, technique 2 or technique 3. Now we have to identify out of these three which one is the best technique to solve. Best technique to use to handle this particular problem. Clear? Similarly, that means we should know the advantages and limitations of the algorithms. Okay, now the question is why should you solve different types of problems? Suppose we have identified one unknown problem. You have to solve one unknown problem is there. Now what you can do, you just you have solved various examples you have solved. Try to identify which one is a similar type of problem. So you have solved say 100 types of problem you have solved. Now what you can do, px is similar to which particular technique, which particular example. Now if it is say similar to p2 type, now first of all you can try p2 is handled by which particular technique. It may be possible we can solve p2 problem by dynamic programming. Then for px, first of all you can try the dynamic programming to solve this particular problem. Are you getting this particular part? I am repeating this one. Suppose you know 100 types of problems to solve. Okay, 100 examples already you know, and you know for each and every example which particular technique we have used. Now new problem px is there. Now try to identify px is similar to which particular example. Now if it is similar to p2, then we will see p2 is solved by which particular problem. Now if it is solved by the dynamic programming, so for px, first of all we may use dynamic programming to solve this particular problem. Okay, so next we'll talk about various types of techniques, the actual meaning of the techniques. Okay, advantages of the techniques, limitation of the techniques, that means comparison of the techniques with various examples. Okay, so next we'll talk about the divide and conquer strategy. Okay, now that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.